Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to check the purchase history in Steam. Now let us begin. Well, do note that I have already installed the application. In case you have not, do it right now. Now let's simply look at how to check the purchase history. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply click on the top right button, that is your username. Click on it right now. Once you do, this thing will open up. From here, all you guys need to do is click on this button called as Account Details. Click on it, and once you do, you will be redirected to this page right here. From here, all you guys need to do is focus on this top section that says Store and Purchase History, and at the right side you can see a button like this that says View Purchase History. Click on it right now. And guys, that is it. As soon as you click on it, you can view your purchase history for Steam. That is it guys, that's how you view your purchase history in Steam. It is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.